Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. Now we are going to start new topic, that is domestic electric supply. How does domestic electric circuit work? You know that AC electric supply of 220 volts is supplied at our homes. In our homes, electricity is brought from electric power station by two insulated wires of aluminium and copper. Both the live wire and neutral wire enters in a box where a main fuse is put on the live wire. These two wires enter our home from the meter. What is the function of live wire and neutral wire? And the live wire carries the current to the appliance, while the neutral wire carries it back. So electricity is supplied to our homes through live wire. Neutral wire is the return path of the current so that the circuit can be completed. The electric potential of neutral wire is 0. There is always a potential difference of 220 volts between the live and the neutral wire. A third wire is called earth wire, may also be used in a circuit. What is an earth wire used for? Earth wire is used to secure from electric shock. It does this by giving a path for a fault current to flow to earth. Now we talk about circuit wiring. Circuit wiring requires following sequence of components, and these are main switch, fuse box and parallel circuits. First is main switch. The main switch is the name of the master switch. First of all, a switch is introduced in the way of live wire and neutral wire in the domestic circuit. That is called main switch. It turns the whole circuit on or off. What is the function of fuse box? Fuse boxes send appropriate amount of power to each circuit in the house. They can also be used to turn off power to individual circuits. They secure you and your home from electrical fires and other problems. Following the main switch, there is a fuse box where the main electric supply is divided into many parallel circuits. In this way, all the electric appliances are provided with the same potential difference of 220 volts. Under normal conditions, all your fuses remain on at all times. Where are the parallel circuits used? Parallel circuits are used inside many electrical devices and appliances. The main reason is it is used in this context is to take advantage of more than one power source, like when more than one battery is being used in a portable device. These parallel circuits carry current to the lights, heaters, and other appliances. Every parallel circuit contains a live wire, neutral wire, and earth wire. How do fuses work? You see in figure, the fuse breaks the circuit if a fault in an appliance uses too much current to flow. So fuse is such a device which does not allow current to pass through it over a certain limit. The fuse contains a piece of wire that melts easily. If the current exceeds the limit, the fuse wire melts and we say that fuse has blown. A fuse is introduced in the path of live wire in every parallel circuits. Fuses are of different values. A fuse used in a circuit of slightly higher value. Usually a 13 ampere fuse is used for the power plug. A 5 ampere fuse is used for the light. Nowadays, circuit breakers are replacing the fuses. A circuit breaker is an automatically operated electrical switch that is used to secure an electrical circuit from damage caused by excess current from an overload or short circuit. These are turned off automatically on passing more or less current than its limit. And next we discuss about switches. All the electric appliances are joined in parallel with the main supply. A separate switch is used for each appliance to turn it on or off. You see in figure, switches are introduced in the way of live wires only. Why switches are not introduced in the way of neutral wire? Because if they are introduced in the way of neutral wires, the fan, heater, etc. will remain live even if the switches are off, and thus the danger of electric shock by touching the appliances will remain there. Next we discuss the measurement of electric supply. You receive electricity bill at your home every month. The amount of electrical energy consumed during the month and its price is printed on the bill. So, what is the unit of electrical energy? The unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour, and the electricity meter installed in our home measure the electricity in the same unit. If you want to know how much electricity have you consumed in a certain period, follow the procedure given below. Note the reading of your meter in the beginning of the said period. At the end of that period, note the reading again. The difference of both reading is equal to the amount of electrical energy consumed, and the total price can be calculated by multiplying the consumed energy with the rate of units of electricity. I hope you understand this topic. Okay, student, take care.